If you're on the hunt for a delicious, high-protein recipe to cook for dinner tonight, then look no further than this Turkish Spiced Mince. It is bursting with flavour coming from spices such as cumin, coriander, sumac and smoked paprika. In just 30 minutes of cook time, this recipe delivers 30 grams of protein in less than 250 calories. It's perfect for anyone looking to fuel up without overdoing it. Sound good? This is how you make it. This is one of these recipes where you can be really flexible with the veggies you're using. I'm using onion and peppers, but you could use courgette, you could pop some aubergine in it, totally up to you. Anyway, you're going to heat a large pan with some oil and fry them until they have softened. Then to that, we're adding the spice mix on screen. You probably have everything. You might not have sumac, but you can get it in pretty much all the large supermarkets. It's really tasty and you can use it in heaps of other recipes. And then add your garlic cloves to that along with some tomato puree, and then just fry that for a further 30 seconds to a minute. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. In Turkey, this would probably be done with lamb mince, but I prefer using steak mince instead. You can choose what you prefer. And then add in 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, a half teaspoon of salt, and then plenty of grinds from the black pepper mill. Then stir that so it is nicely combined, and then you're going to just pop the lid on it and let that simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. Just before the end of cooking, add in your spinach and keep stirring that until it wilts away. This is a really good way to add veggies into a meal. I mean, spinach is great because it really does reduce the size and it's packed with nutrients. Then all you need to do is just plate it up, and as always, garnish it with something green, and then just get stuck in and enjoy. So there we have it, Turkish Spiced Mince. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and as always, thank you so much for watching the video. And make sure before you leave to click that subscribe button so you're notified as soon as I post a new high protein recipe. Now, I know that most people watching this aren't subscribers, so if you do click that button, it would really help me out, and it means you get more recipes. Anyway, I'm off to go and have some of this for my dinner. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you back here on the channel very soon. See ya!